Hello everyone, my name is Chandan Singh and welcome to my blog channel. Uh, there is no particular topic to make a blog about. However, I'm just making a blog about just day-to-day life. The thing is that, as you know, that I'm in my village, and if you talk about peace and tranquility, then village sounds good. You must come to village, stay here. But if you talk about the facilities, what you get in cities, then you will have to struggle a lot if you live in the village. Okay. Uh, in the name of facility, you can get this ice cream seller. So this facility is available in the village. That ice cream seller is here. You can purchase ice cream from here. But the thing is that why I'm saying that other facilities are not available here. Uh, See, if you talk about my village, especially I would like to talk about my village. Here you can see few houses and farm all around. Farm is like a farmhouse. You can see my village. This is my village. It's like a farmhouse, and I have seen other villages also. You can see house after house, but here the scenario is something different. So, if you want to go for your haircut or if you want to go for your trimming, shaving, then you will have to suffer a lot. In this village, in my village, I have not seen any salon. No barber is available. In the name of barber, I would say that here there is a typical barber called Hajam who always comes for mundan purpose and somebody passes away तो वो जो बाल वाल छिलाते हैं for that purpose that Hajam comes. But I have not seen any shop, कोई सैलो जैसा कोई दुकान ही हो. There is nothing like that. I have not seen कि चलो किसी पेड़ के नीचे ही a person is sitting with the chair की shave कर दे. I have not seen in this village. So in order to get my hair cut, in order to go for shaving, I will have to go at least 4 kilometers far from here. Then I can get a barber and again come back 4 kilometer far. So 8 kilometers, up and down. So you will have to spend petrol, for 8 kilometers if you want to get your hair cut, guys. Or you can purchase the things, just shave by yourself. But how can you cut your hair by yourself? You'll have to get your hair cut by going there. So today I have to go for my haircut and my shaving because there are so many viewers. They said, sir, why don't you shave? Or why do you just get up and make video? And literally, guys, I just get up, wash my face, and I start making video. I don't go for lot of quality and all. I believe in content. Whatever I'm teaching, that should be good. Anyways, but जो दिखता है वो बिकता है. So I'm going for my haircut and for shaving purpose. So I will have to go 4 kilometers far from my village. So let's go, guys. I would like to show you. And even after going there, I'm not going to get a very nice and good environment and good salon. The ambience is nothing, zero, third class ambience. However, I have to go there for this purpose. Okay, my dad is here with me. So यहाँ डैड यहाँ गांव में मतलब कोई ऐसी दुकान नहीं है, कोई सैलून बार्बर कोई ऐसा नहीं जहाँ पर हेयर कट वगैरह हो सके.
यहाँ इस गांव में तो नहीं है.
अच्छा,
हरौली में है, घटारों में है.
मतलब यहाँ से दूर है.
हाँ, 3 किलोमीटर जाना पड़ेगा.
3 से 4 है.
हाँ,
ओके,
3 से 4 किलोमीटर.
3 से 4. आई मीन फ्रॉम हेयर 4 किलोमीटर, फ्रॉम मेन रोड आई थिंक 3 किलोमीटर्स. सो फ्रॉम माई विलेज टू मेन रोड 1 किलोमीटर तो होगा ही यहाँ से मेन रोड.
1 किलोमीटर.
सो इस गांव में मतलब तो फिर कैसे लोग कैसे कटाते
यहाँ है हजाम है.
अच्छा, तो हजाम को बुलाना पड़ेगा.
हजाम को बुलाना पड़ेगा, लेकिन सैलून वाला बात नहीं है.
अच्छा,
जैसे तैसे काट देगा.
ओके. तो मतलब यहाँ जो हजाम है वो मोस्टली कोई मर जाए तो उसमें जो आते हैं.
हाँ, पूजा त्यौहार में, चाहे मरनी हरनी में, ये सब,
या मुंडन वगैरह. ओके. तो वो बदले में क्या पैसे लेते हैं, अनाज लेते हैं?
पैसा लेता है, अनाजो लेता है.
हाँ. तो मतलब यहाँ किसी ने सोचा नहीं कि इतने बड़े गांव में एक कम से कम एक सैलून होना चाहिए.
होना तो चाहिए था.
और यहाँ के लोग मतलब कैसे खुद ही शेविंग करते हैं?
हाँ, ज़्यादातर तो अपने कर लेता है लोग.
अब बाल कटाना हो तो
वह जाना पड़ेगा, या तो हाजीपुर लालगंज, न तो हरौली घटारा.
माय गॉड, मतलब जो आसपास जो 3-4 किलोमीटर वाला है वहाँ तो साइकिल से भी चले जाते हो। ओके, ठीक है, तो चलते हैं, लेट्स गो।
ठीक।
So guys, you saw what my dad was saying. So this is the fact. That's why I don't get, time to go for haircut. कौन जाएगा 3-4 किलोमीटर दूर, जाओ आओ। Anyways, but today I'm going. So here we go. So guys, now I am going for this purpose. Okay. So let's go, everyone. So guys, actually the thing is that I think there is less air in the tires, so I have come to a place where I can get some air in the tires. After that I will go to the salon. So let's go. So I think there is less air in the tire, see? That's why the speed was not up to the mark. So I have come here to get some air in the tires. हवा दे दे टायर में। So guys, we have reached the place. Now I am getting out of my car. So here you can see there is one salon here. This one. But they don't seem to be free. So I am going some steps forward to check whether you get any other salon or not. And here guys, I'm shooting this video and people are looking at me. They are thinking that I'm from news channel. Let me see. I'm going to show you through the back camera. So this is the market here, and I can see here also, but here they also don't seem to be free. The guy is busy and I don't think there would be any other. Let me try. There is one more and he also doesn't seem to be free, busy. So let me try if I get one more salon or not. Yeah, there is one salon and he seems to be free. Okay, let me go there and try. So here I have come. कौन है? The barber is not available here. See, barber is not available here. See guys, this is my Gorilla tripod, my mobile and the mic. And when I shoot the video using this, the people think that I am from any news channel. Though I am not taking I'm not using any DSLR camera, otherwise people would definitely think that I've come from any news channel. But here the barber is not available. Let me ask someone. So guys, I asked someone and the person said that this barber has been missing since morning. He has not come here. So the shop is open but the guy is not available. So I am going to any other salon. Let's see. But he also seems to be very busy. Look at this. The guy, can you see here? This guy. He also seems to be busy. So I think that I had better go to the same place. So I would go back to the place where I have parked my car. Now all the people are looking at me, guys. I think they're going to eat me up or what. So I'm going back. It's really very tough to do vlogging if you are in the village or in such a city where people are not even aware about vlogging and all. So it's quite tough. Anyways, this is my job. I'm doing it. No one can distract me. This is how I do the job. So I'm going back to the same place. उधर गया मैं, बहुत सारे हैं वहाँ पर, बट सब बिजी है और एक में तो कोई था ही नहीं। तो अब एक वहाँ सामने, उसमें एक ही बंदा था, कोई एक ही कस्टमर था, तो फिर वहाँ चल लेते हैं। इसमें तो अभी 2-3 है, भीड़ लगी हुई है। चले फिर, चलिए बंद करते हैं। आइए इधर जाइए। So here still he's not free. So I'm going to the person where there was only one customer. Truck. Here I was talking about this place, guys. You can see here. But there is a guy. After this, there would be my turn. So this is the place. बैठ जाइए आप, बैठ। मशीन होगा भाई, मशीन होगा, ट्रेन हो जाएगी।
हाँ, लेकिन थोड़ा गड़बड़ आ गया है, थोड़ा दांत पकड़ नहीं रहा।
अच्छा, ठीक है, फिर आप करा लीजिए। Here he doesn't have the machine for trimming. Now what should I do? I think I should go to every shop, every salon and ask for the machine. Wherever I find the machine, I will have to go there for the trimming. He can also do the trimming with the help of scissors, but I will not get that satisfaction what I am looking for. So I must go for that salon where there is a machine, the trimming machine. So guys, I have come to the another salon and here I asked the person about the machine and he said that he has the machine. भैया पहले इसकी ट्रिमिंग कर देना और बाल भी कटाना है, लेकिन ये जो हैवी है ना, थोड़ा हैवीनेस इसकी ख़त्म करनी है। हाँ, ये कुछ ज़्यादा ऊंचा हो गया, तो उस हिसाब से आप देख लेना। पहले आप ये इसको पूरा ज़ीरो कर दो। So guys, as you can see that I have gone for trimming and haircut. As far as haircut is concerned, I am not content with what he has cut. However, I can't do anything. Everybody has his own style. So this barber has his own way of cutting, so he has cut my hair. So this is all about this video, guys. Thank you very much, everybody. So as you saw that it is a kind of a struggle to get the haircut and trimming done for those people who have come from cities to village. One who lives in village is in the habit of doing this. They take their cycles and go 4-5 kilometers far for their haircut. So thank you very much, everybody. See you in another episode. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.